Welcome to Beautyistic, the channel where we review all things beauty and lifestyle, making it easy for you to make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at something a little different but equally essential: the Convenience Kit's International Men's 11-piece kit with oral care and grooming essentials. This compact travel kit promises to be your ultimate travel companion with a set of travel-sized toiletries designed specifically for men. Let's dive into the details. This travel kit includes 11 TSA-compliant toiletries in convenient travel sizes, so whether you're heading off on a vacation, business trip, or a hospital stay, you'll have everything you need to stay fresh and hygienic. The kit is thoughtfully designed, featuring a selection of hygiene essentials, all packed neatly into a compact, easy-to-carry bag that's perfect for tossing into your suitcase or backpack. It's designed with convenience in mind, making it ideal for business travelers, weekend getaways, camping trips, or even as a gift for Father's Day or stocking stuffers. Now, how does this kit perform in real-world use? Let's talk about that. First, the size of the toiletries is perfect for travel. Everything fits into a small, compact kit that won't take up much space in your bag. The items included cover all the basics: toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, shaving cream, and more. I found it incredibly convenient when I traveled recently. The TSA-compliant sizes make the kit easy to bring along, and the fact that it's all in one place means no scrambling at the last minute to find essentials. However, while it's a solid kit, it's not without its drawbacks. The products themselves are useful, but some might prefer a more premium experience when it comes to the quality of the toiletries. They are basic, which is perfectly fine for most trips. But if you're used to high-end grooming products, this might feel a bit too simple for your taste. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, the kit is incredibly convenient for those who want to pack light without compromising on essentials. The TSA-approved sizes are a big win for frequent travelers, and the compact packaging means you can take it anywhere without fuss. Plus, it's ideal for gifting, especially for the man who's always on the go. On the flip side, the quality of the products is basic. They get the job done, but they're not luxurious or particularly high-end. Also, while the travel sizes are great for short trips, if you're traveling for an extended period, you might find yourself needing to restock sooner than expected. As far as value for money goes, this kit hits the mark for the price. For a budget-friendly option, it provides the basics needed for any trip. However, if you're someone who values premium grooming products, you might find this kit lacking in quality. But for its intended purpose, a no-fuss, compact solution for travel, it offers good value. When comparing this kit to similar products on the market, you'll find plenty of other travel kits available. Some may come with fancier, higher quality items, but those tend to be more expensive. This kit strikes a balance by offering a simple, affordable option with everything you need to stay fresh while traveling. In terms of build quality, the materials used in the bag and the packaging are functional, but not exceptional. It's lightweight, which is great for travel, but don't expect it to be particularly durable over the long haul. It's designed to be used for short-term trips and frequent packing and unpacking. So while it may not stand the test of time as a heavy-duty toiletry bag, it's more than suitable for its intended use. Now, when it comes to customer service, I didn't have any direct interactions with the company for this product. However, Convenience Kits International has a solid reputation for offering reliable and accessible travel kits, which is reflected in the reviews from users who have purchased similar products. Finally, if you're considering alternatives, there are other travel kits out there that offer a similar range of products. Some might come with higher-end toiletries, but you'll pay a premium for them. If you're after the basics, this kit does the job at a reasonable price. To wrap things up, the Convenience Kit's International Men's 11-piece kit with oral care and grooming essentials is a practical, affordable option for anyone in need of travel toiletries. It's compact, TSA-compliant, and gets the job done without any frills. While it may not offer the highest quality products on the market, it's perfect for those who want a no-fuss, budget-friendly solution. I'd recommend this for anyone who needs a simple and effective travel kit without breaking the bank. Before we finish up, Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Beautyistic for more honest reviews. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions about this kit, or if you've already tried it, let me know in the comments below. The link to get the product is also in the comments. Goodbye for now, and remember, stay fresh, stay fabulous, and always keep it beautyistic.